Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see how to create a Pinterest developer account and where to find all the API keys, secret keys, API token, access token, sandbox token, everything which needed to connect the Pinterest with the third-party AI automation tool. Open the browser and search for the Pinterest developer account. So the site is at developer.pinterest.com. Hit enter, it will land you on the developer platform where you can see the Get Started button over here, the top corner document, API reference, My Applications, and Login, Sign Up sections. Then click on the Get Started. This is the 3-step you need to follow to create an account. First, create an account, verify the email address, and then to agree all terms and conditions. Now, let's start with the login. Once you click on the login, it will land you on this page where you can do login with your account. You can log in with the Google or you can create a new account using email and password. So just create your account. Once you sign up for the account, it will land you again back to this page where you can see this error, login with the business account. So basically you need to create your business account on the Pinterest platform. This is a Pinterest developer platform. So for that, either you can go on the Pinterest site and create a business account, or you can directly go inside this. And you can see here they give you the option to create a business free account. They give you the 3 options. The first one is existing account. If you have your own account, you can just link it over here. If you want to use other business account or other email address, then you can use this one. And if you want to create a new account, you can directly go here, click on the create, and that's how you can start your work on your creating new business profile for the Pinterest. Or you can go in the setting where they give you the option to convert your current account into the business account. Convert to the business account. So just click on this button and upgrade it. Fill out this whole form and create your account. After getting account, it will land you on this page. You can start with this specific idea or you can just keep it by click on the cancel. So your account is created now. You can see my business is Taste Business over here. My account is already connected to my business. Now once again, come up on this platform developer.pinterest.com. This is a developer platform. You can see you already log in over here and then go and click on my app where you can see the 2-step is already completed. The first one, the login and create account. Then just agree terms and conditions. It will land you on the home page where you can see here connect your current app if you have already, or you can create a new app. Let's start with the application creation. So click on this connect app. Fill out this application and hit submit. That's how it creates your application. Click on manage where you can see the 3 tabs, the configuration, collaboration, and details. Detail will have all the detail about your application. Collaboration have the section where you can write down your team email so they can collaborate with you. And here you can get all the access of your API keys and tokens. But currently you can see it's disabled because once you submit the application, the Pinterest platform, their developer team will check out all the details and give you the permission for accessing these applications as a trial mode. After few minutes, you will get an email in your account that your application is available for trial mode. So you can just directly go and refresh the page. There you can see all the details is unable now. Collaboration is also unable. And the configuration. So you can see here my application is currently on the trial access. So basically you can get all the detail like API key, generate or reset your secret. You can get your app ID, your apps. You can create 2 different access token, the production token and the sandbox token. Also, you can add a redirect URL on this box. So basically, once you create your other third-party applications where you want to connect this Pinterest, so you need to add that redirect URL on this. And this is all about the scope because whenever you connect your third-party application with this Pinterest, Then you need to define the scope of that applications, like how the third party application use this Pinterest application on their platform. So that's based on that. You need to define their scope. Like you can see board, then board read and board write, and also like pin read and pin write. So these are the all scope you need to remember. Once you click on these docs where you can find all the detail about the configurations and everything, that how to call the API and the steps that you have to follow to connect Pinterest with any automation tool. So this is how we can create a developer account to get all the configuration details which we need to connect Pinterest with the automation tool like N8N, make.com. If you want to know that how to connect this with the automation tool like N8N, let me know in the comment so I can create a detailed video for that as well. See you next time with the one more detailed descriptive video for one more platform. Thank you.